If you are checking out this electric grill right here, I want to show you how easy it is to put together, some of the features of it, and hopefully answer some of the questions you may have. I really think this grill is great if you're just going to be doing a little bit of cooking. You don't want to have to worry about using charcoal, propane, anything like that. You're not going to run out of that. You can simply plug it up. It's a pretty nice long cord here. I have an outlet right here. It's going to make it real nice and easy. I think this would really be great too if you live like in an apartment. You're going to have it on a balcony in a dorm, somewhere like that, where you cannot have big open flames. This is going to be perfect. It's not very heavy. I can lift it up with just a few fingers here. All right, if you're wondering about just how hard this is to put together, there's really just this many pieces right here. It does have some directions very easily laid out for you.
First, just take the legs. They snap right on just like this. Then you're going to put this little piece here, take it and screw it in, screw this together, pop it in, slide the shelf down, put the top on, lay the grill surface, and put the lid on.
This is the way that the cooking surface looks. You have this flat area right here, and then you have more of this like ribbed area back here, which will allow for the different juices and stuff to run, go down to these two different holes, and go right into the drip tray, which is right there. Just seconds after turning this on, I can already feel the heat coming from it. All right, let's get cooking. I like the little shelf down low. You can put all your cooking utensils and things like your cheese, your barbecue sauce, things like that right down there, or drinks. I have this actually just above a 2, and you can see it is cooking it really well. If you're wondering about how much food you can actually fit on here, I have 4 decent sized hamburgers. You can see just on the 1/3 of it. So I could easily put 4 here, here, and here and get a total of 12 hamburgers very easily on this. You're just making a small meal, this is going to be perfect. If you don't want to have to fire up your big grill, have a really big cleanup, this is perfect.